Let's start today's trading. So first we will analyze the market. Okay, so let's see any other pair. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is in description. And pocket option and Cortex account opening link is in description and pin comment. You can see there is a level here. Okay, here also there is a level. So let's wait. Okay, no, I will not take trade here. I'm not sure. So let's see any other pair. Okay. So here after this candle, I will go with sellers. I will take two trades for down option. Why? Because you can see here green red red green red red green red red pattern is working. So after this green and red candle, the third candle will be seller's candle only. I know very well. The next support level is here. Still between level and candle there is a gap. So here green red red pattern is working. So that's why after this green and red candle, on this third candle I gone with sellers. Like I told you that green red red pattern is working, plus the next support level is here and there is a gap here. So let's wait. I personally think that on next candle sellers will only enter. So let's wait. After this candle I will explain you this trade on screen. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's a winning trade. So now I will explain you this trade on screen. Here why I gone with sellers on this candle. The reason is very simple. First, see the trend. What is the trend? The trend is going down. Okay, it's a downtrend. Always keep this point in your mind that trend is your friend. Trend is down. Nearby you can see green red red pattern is working. Plus you can see this is green and red hammer candle. Hammer candle in middle of the trend will work as a continuation candle. Now where is the next level? The next possible support level is here. Still between level and candle there is a gap. So this gap, there are chances that market will fill here. So that's why I gone with sellers, because in left there is no level. Plus I have confirmations of patterns here. Like nearby, you always have to see nearby your patterns are working or not. If nearby your candlestick patterns are working, then easily you can predict the market and you can easily predict the market situation, what will be the next candlestick. But first thing, you have to see what is happening. Okay, nearby if market is following green red red pattern, red green green pattern, then you can follow that pattern. According to that pattern, market will also go up and down. So this thing you always have to see, and always keep this point in your mind that trend is your friend. The next support is here, but still between level and candle there is a gap. This thing also you have to see. Combine all the strategies, combine. Okay, just with one strategy you will not make money in binary options trading. You always have to combine all strategies. If you combine 5 to 6 strategies together, then you can make money in trading. Or you can say if you combine 2 to 3 strategies also, but you have to master that SNR level, trend line, patterns, round number. This thing you have to see how it's working in the market, then only you can make money. So like I told you, the next support level is here. Still between level and candle there is a gap. So simply you can go with sellers, and plus we have pattern confirmation also here. I hope you understand. If you want to join my one-on-one coaching class, details is on the screen. Contact details is in this video description. Thank you. God bless you all and have a successful trading.